want to be your partner.
Here's an easy way to play Dance With Me by Orleans so that you can sing along. Now there are 2 sections to learn. If you can play them, you can play the whole song. The first one starts with this chord, an A over D. So in my right hand I use my thumb, second finger, fourth finger, and a D note in the bass. Dance with me, and then I move it to a D major chord. Thumb, middle finger, pinky. From there, I want to be your partner. This A7 over G, I use thumb, second finger, fourth finger in the right hand, and then make that a G major chord by moving those top 2 notes in the right hand to a G major chord. From there, we go to a E minor 7 chord, just moving the left hand, and then an A9 chord, moving that top note in the right hand, and then finishing on the first 2 chords we played. A over D to a D major. Let's go through the rhythm of those chords. So from the top again, we go A, D, D. I want to be your partner. The music is just starting. Night is calling. And then A to the D. Just like that. Alright, let's move on to the next part. Start with the G major chord. Let it lift you to an A major chord off the ground. Back to the G major chord, starry eyes, and E7 sus4. That's a long name, but just play these 3 notes in the right hand. And then make that a E7 just by moving that 1 note. So E7 sus4, just that bottom note there on the thumb. Make that an E7 chord, then back to a G major chord. I can take you, A major, where you, A sharp diminished chord, 1, 2, that really adds some tension before we go to a B minor 7. Want to go, 2 more chords, O over the E minor 7 chord, and then that A9 chord we've played before. So when timing it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then back to the chorus. Dance with me. Just like that. So that's how the 2 parts go. If you can play them, you can play the whole song. If you're wanting a better visual representation, have a look at the cheat sheet in the description below. It's completely free. For now though, I'm going to have a quick jam through some of these parts.
Dance with me, I want to be your partner. Can't you see? The music is just starting. Night is calling and I am falling. Dance with me. Let it lift you off the ground. Starry eyes and love is all around us. I can take you where you want to go. Oh, dance with me. I want to be your partner. Can't you see? The music is just starting. Night is calling and I am falling.